In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create labels in Gmail. Whether you're looking to organize your inbox more efficiently or just want to keep things tidy, learning how to create labels in Gmail can be a game changer. Labels in Gmail function as tags you can apply to your emails, allowing you to sort and categorize messages in a way that makes sense to you. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in your inbox, take a look on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll see a list of any existing labels you might have. Don't worry if you don't have any yet. We're going to create one together. Look for the More option, usually indicated by a down arrow. Click on it to reveal additional options and scroll down to find Create New Label. Clicking on Create New Label will prompt a small window to pop up. Here, you'll need to choose a name for your label. Think about what will be most useful for you. Perhaps you want a label for specific projects, clients, or personal categories like travel or receipts. Type in your chosen name, and if you'd like, you have the option to nest this label under an existing one. This means you can create subcategories for even more detailed organization. When you're ready, click Create. And just like that, your new label is ready to use. Once you've created your label, you may want to start applying it to your emails. Start by going back to your inbox and selecting the emails you want to categorize. You can do this by clicking the checkbox next to each email. Once you've selected your emails, above your inbox, you'll see an icon that looks like a label. Click on it and a drop-down list of your labels will appear. Choose the label that you just created and then click Apply. You should now see that label appear next to the selected emails in your inbox. Remember, labels aren't just for afterwards organizing. You can also create filters in Gmail to automatically apply labels to incoming emails based on specific criteria. This can save you time and effort as your emails will be automatically tagged and organized as they hit your inbox. And there you have it. You're all set up with your new label, and you can create as many as you need to keep your emails sorted in the way that best suits you. Creating and managing labels in Gmail is a simple yet effective way to maintain an organized digital life. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy organizing!